Constructing panels shouldn't be such a challenge. The process remains slow and labor-intensive. Even as technology makes design smarter, the way panels are built is still stuck in the past. In today's tight labor market, skilled workers are leaving faster than they can be replaced. The pressure to balance speed, quality, and consistency makes it harder to keep up, creating gaps that slow everything down. It's no surprise that most panel builds begin with delays. But it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine cutting panel build time by 75%. No more counting parts, cutting wires, printing labels, or modifying enclosures, and less time spent training. What if assembling panels was as simple as putting together a kit with everything ready to go at any skill level, allowing your workforce to stay efficient and error-free? With our e-SSEMBLY, that's exactly what we do. Whether you need a full solution or just help with parts of the process, e-SSEMBLY turns your designs into ready-to-assemble kits using the data you already have. Our technology and automation make it simple. The backplate is tapped, wire ducts and DIN rails are pre-cut, and components are organized for fast assembly. Every wire is pre-cut, terminated, and labeled. Consistency is built in. The same parts, the same wire lengths, the same labels, every time. This approach improves quality and minimizes errors. With e-SSEMBLY, you can build faster, smarter, and more consistently. Focus on growing your business today and in the future. ES&E's e-SSEMBLY, making panel building easier, faster, and more efficient.